Hello, everyone. I'm Shinya, a soft backend engineer from AI Framework Group. Today, I'd like to demonstrate this POC that answer code questions with repository information. This is somewhat hot topic that based on given that recent code is this blog post. So they announced that GA and a bunch of technical approaches about their code answering feature. And then one of them is quite interesting that to compute the relevance code incorporates and adapted from the BM25 ranking function alongside other signals learned and tuned to a specific task at hand. So this BM25 is a key here that it's basically a keyword matching function. More specifically, keyword. It's ranking search results by the frequency of keyword. So like there are, let's say there are like many documents in many documents, and like if one of the document contains like let's say Apple, this specific keyword, and then when you query like what is Apple, and then like this keyword is matched, and then this document that mentions this specific keyword coming up to the highest rank. But you can see that more detailed. It's not just like a regular expression or wildcard matching. It's not that simple. It's more sophisticated, and then it's very trustworthy score. And then this BM25 is supported in Elasticsearch. So in this demo, I'm going to use Elasticsearch. So let me briefly explain the architecture. This project demonstrates a RAG pipeline that generates AI-powered answer with retrieving repository code information. Use Elasticsearch for BM25 keyword search. Use Anthropic for code generation. Answering users' question related to code. And then no semantic search and the embeddings are used. So yeah, this is also interesting point mentioned in their article that they don't use embedding as well. So when user asks a question, it's search, retrieve the documents that includes the keywords. Then the retrieved documents fed to Anthropic cloud. So and then give the answer back to the user. So let me demonstrate. Already ingested the GitLab Rails code repository to Elasticsearch. So I'm going to switch to the querying. Let's say I am asking a question, which class should I use to create a new CA pipeline in GitLab Rails repository? And here's the answer. Hold on. Now Anthropic could generate a streaming response. To create a new CI pipeline in GitLab, you would use CI create pipeline service class. This service class is defined in this file, and then blah, 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 blah. And then, yeah, this is a correct answer. So it actually retrieves the actual code information that it understands the classes in the repositories, and then identify which class the user should use. So I'm going to change query. Let's try how can I execute HTTP request in this repo? How about this? Now, the RAG pipeline at first retrieves documents based on these keywords. Execute HTTP request in this repo. Again, like BM25 ranking these keywords differently. So, like for example, HTTP and request would be would have heavier weight than the other keywords like how or can. That is less important. And here's the answer. Based on the documents provided here, there's ways to execute HTTP request in the GitLab codebase. The GitLab HTTP module has some methods like blah, 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 blah. And here's a code example. So I think this is also accurate enough to give a hint to the user. This is, from what I know, this is a way to execute HTTP request. So yeah, that's what I wanted to demonstrate today. And here's a setup step to, and here's how to generate the answer. So I recommend try it out yourself. It's pretty easy. I think like you can finish the setup within 30 minutes or 1 hour. So yeah, and then please try out the various queries and then let us know what you think about this approach. So thank you.